Alright, so this is the Ego 52cm unboxing. It's the 52cm mower, self-propelled, select cut. It's got twin blade. So there you go. This is a beautiful looking mower. That'll work with any of the Ego batteries. The reason I tend not to do unboxing videos is because I'm rather awkward with boxes. Apologies in advance. Let's see what we got. That's what you get. Alright, first thing, you'll get us some documentation, and that's the safety key, I believe. The all-important battery and charger. It's a quick charger battery. Looks like we've got a 7.5 amp hour battery. It's a pretty big unit. Frame for the grass catcher. Here's our grass box, and that'll go on this. There's the main unit. We don't have to worry about too much pre-assembly with it. Oh, did I just do that? I did, didn't I?
Like that.
That's just an easy clip by the looks of things. There you go. And these unclip. Brings that higher. Look at that. Feels fairly ergonomic. It's actually light to push around. And then goes up pretty high. Lovely. Really nice. Look at that. That's how you flip that. The battery in there, and that's for the safety key. Check out all these controls here. There's your self-propelled mode. A little button here, lead on and off. It's for some lights. Handle's got like a soft little ergonomic grip here, which is good. There's the buttons for the self-propelled speed, or on and off, should I say. They're both sides. It sits nicely on your palm. It's good. Might be this way. No. Power mower. Those hook things at the top and facing away. Alright, so that's what we'll do. That thing goes on the outside there. We've hooked those two things there. And then you can just hook the rest up. Over the top. And there's our grass box. Oh yes, so that acts like a little handle. That's cool. No, it hooks on there. There you go. So this has got the dual blade cut. Yeah, that's really interesting and very, very solid. Alright, so we've got our key, and that goes in here like so. So when that key is removed, the mower won't work. Alright, I'll go get a battery. Oh. This is the 10 amp hour battery. I've charged it up. You can tell I've got a little 5-figure thing telling me it's fully charged. Goes in. Clicks in the spot. There's the key, it's in there. So it's ready to operate. Hey, this is a cool feature. Now I know why this is clear. You can actually see the battery charge in there while it's still in there. So you press that, you can still see it. You can operate this as a push mower, or you can operate it as going forward. I'm holding the back, I'm doing wheelies. And then of course, down below, press this button first. Simple as that. Now my lawn's probably a bit too low for this, because this only does about 25 millimeters. But I'll go over the lawn and give it a go, see what happens. Pretty quiet. Hardly touching it. Cutting it a little bit. Well, it's certainly different. The vary pace, yeah, it feels quite sensitive. It feels light, even though it's a heavy mower. It's very quiet. I'm not used to that, that's for sure. Yeah, I would need a grass that's a little bit higher, a little bit thicker to see how it goes. It seems like it'd be all right. Yeah, it's pretty nifty. I have to get used to the way the controls work. I was stopping and starting and hitting the button and not doing stuff, and so I just got to get my brain around the operation of it, but I'm sure that wouldn't take too long. Just pressing down the button. So much power, it's so quiet. But yeah, it's picked up a little bit there, even though, you know, the grass is probably too low. Actually cleaned up a bit of the rubbish on it, so those twin blades are creating a, you know, an upsurge of wind, and it sucks everything up, so it's pretty good. But yeah, I have to really test it on a kikuyu lawn or a buffalo lawn. So yeah, just gonna have to wait for find a lawn for that. But look, I like it. Yeah, it's different. It'll be good to see how it compares to the Honda twin blade, which is around about the same money. Yeah, very quiet. So that would be good if you're, you know, close proximity to your neighbours, or you've got a job or something that you're doing and you need quiet. No, I like the handle as well. Early days yet. But the real bonus about this mower is that you can just stack it, like put it together and then just put it on its end, and it'll just sit there. I might do that now. So of course the first thing you would do with the mower is take the key out. You can just leave that in there. That way it's not going to start up. Alright, so I would say probably take this in first. So this is really great for storage. It's not going to take up too much space in your shed. There's that one. Do it again. There's that one. You can just flick it up and store it like so. There is a little bit of weight to it, but it certainly isn't bad. I like that feature. Nice big chute. It's good. Interesting. You'll know it'll never rust, that's for sure. Yeah, I like it. First impressions, yeah, very well made, good. The deck being plastic, that was a bit of a worry for me, but I mean, I'll have to give that more of a test, but certainly looks like it's not rubbish. The blades are very good. Yeah, I do like it, even the little stone guard down here, which is good. Ah, it's alright. Oh yeah, there's some adjustable heights here, so you've got 3 height adjustments. Yeah, it's not bad. Yeah, it's cool. Doesn't take up much space at all. Alright, cool. There you go, an unboxing video. One of my first ones ever. Look, I'm not really into doing unboxing videos, but look, it is a great mower. It is very well built, nice and quiet. Obviously the advantage of battery over petrol is good because you don't have to use petrol. And I think it really hits the mark for a lot of lawns. It does cut in that 25mm and up sort of range. So it's more for that kikuyu, buffalo, or a higher couch. there's no problem there. I think it's a very, very good mower. Obviously, I need some more time with it and some more different types of lawns than mine. And as you can see by mine, it's certainly not in good condition. About 3 and a bit weeks ago when I did that video anyway, as you can see, the lawn has not recovered from a pretty major renovation / re-landscape of my area. But look, I'll get onto more use of that mower, and I'll certainly share the results from the unboxing and the first impressions of the mower. Very, very good indeed. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel, give it a like if you like this video, and watch out for future videos where we'll present that Ego mower. That Ego mower is the new one that's just come out. It's the 52 centimeter. I think it goes for $1,149.